Hi guys, I'm Danny. This is my first studio vlog. I'm very excited to finally show my journey here. I will show you a sneak peek of my studio, packing some orders and draw a little bit with me. Hope you like it and let's go to the video, shall we? I have been wanting to sit here with you for a long time and show the behind the scenes of my work as an illustrator. I've always enjoyed watching these kind of videos, especially from my favorite artists, and now I think the time has come for me as well. I finally had the courage to show up here, and it's never too late to follow your dreams, I guess. I hope you like my content. This is new to me, so please don't expect perfection here, of course. I hope it's a safe space too, where you can relax with me and forget about the bad things of everyday life. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to check my Etsy shop and my website as well. I'll be adding new products soon, so yeah, the links are all in the description below. Follow me on Instagram, and if you want to support my work, you can also do it on Patreon, where you can receive some goodies in your mailbox. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope to see you soon and stay safe. Bye!